Hello sisters! I want to draw the most today. Fire 5-color block Korean makeup. The whole thing is very simple at the same time. Maximize beauty. It's still very suitable for our endorsement, right? Just let's try it together. As for the base makeup, we still need to clear it up. Just can't be too rigid. If the bubble essence can be stacked a few more layers, wait for this essence to absorb. How to use it? You can add a little lotion here on the nose, because the weather has been too hot recently. I want to put on a makeup foundation today. Now the face is literally visible to the naked eye. Very moisturizing. We can put on some foundation. I bought a bottle of my favorite before. That's how we apply a thin layer. We patted it open with a puff. It's flawless. At the same time, it won't be particularly heavy. And putting makeup on my face is also super online. You can take a look lightly. Don't talk about it. This Pinduoduo is really my shopping partner. Just when I buy back this time, just open Pinduoduo and take a look. React obediently. There is a huge coupon. There is no need to stack the full reduction or anything. Just buy it. It's a special deal. It is very suitable for lazy people like us. You don't need to fill it up. Let me show you this face makeup today. It's really translucent. So let's be considerate. Precise understanding in the tear ditch. The back of the nose can bring some here. Then this apple muscle should have that kind of very full feeling. And our jaws. In the first district, this is also the more open one. Then I have to take a picture. Let's use this paste to trim the face first. The back of the nose can be drawn a little wider. Because my nostrils are thin, it makes my nose look bigger. It should be widened appropriately. Click to use it down and the structure is a little lighter. They're all swollen eggs, don't need heavy hands. That is, our fingers will faint him. Focusing on large areas. We can use a puff to press it a little bit. Belt to the hairline, then bring the blank space here as well. In a moment, focus on the end of the eye. Then it is heavy to bring it up. Use this color, and this is just a little bit of paint. Needless to say, it's obvious. We'll add that powdery blush later. The same goes for grooming. I'll set my makeup a little bit. Then this makeup thing is still relatively clear. Well, we can choose the one with burnt color function. It is convenient to set a certain amount for him on the forehead first. You look especially flatter and brighter. And eyebrows. I have also tried this foundation, a uniform purity. I thought the original price was still quite cost-effective, but I took a look at the brand. Chinese and Korean materials are cheaper. And he shipped it under the official flag. The whole thing is peace of mind and then cost-effective. For eyebrows, let's choose one of these eyebrow brushes. Dip and repair the color. Draw a little on this eyebrow. Yin Ki with a little off, just right. You can combine the sweetness of this Korean makeup. It seems that the whole person is more energetic. The middle eyebrow also starts to lower body. Then bring it to the end of the eyebrow. Eyebrow pencil seen in dark brown. Come and leave this hair to him to mend. Draw this eyebrow line for him. Let's use this eyebrow dye cream. You are making a base with your eyelids before applying eyeshadow. Let him handle this limit. The eye makeup painting has a little orange feel, not like this color. Bring him the whole lower eyeshadow part. It will be obvious when you draw that aegyo later, because my eyes are still a little bit. If it's swollen, I'll choose these two colors to mix a little bit. Don't choose this kind of hair that is very solid. The entire double eyelid fold has a belt. Female fans bring this aegyo saliva. This is the solstice, just a little bit here. The whole thing is very light, so I used to like to draw that kind of special shit. Today we are this soft whining feeling, so we can be considerate of aegyo. Don't use this particularly white one. It feels a little beige with this one. It is also a small number of times to slowly brighten it like this. Curl the eyelashes for it. Then we use a brown glue pen. One is to fill in the gap between our eyelashes. If this is the pillow, we will choose this one. There's a little red and brown color to draw. Don't use black, don't use brown. It's very natural when drawn. Even the sweater is most attached to this root. Ming style, we will replenish this outer eyeliner for it. It's a brown glue handle. Take a flat off. Don't warp it up. The lower eyelashes are to brush him a little bit. Brush out a little presence. After we put on some makeup, we will have a full face. Set him up. Press it in the text. That makeup is to wear it lightly. Deepen it a little and the trim is still this color. and just a little bit more emphasis on the nose and the skeleton. Even if it's not very popular, I didn't know until I used it. There's a reason for fire. Look at this powder, it's really fine, you see? And the color is just right. Deepen it a little bit. Deepen the nest here. Gently bring the eye socket with rice noodles and the end of my eyes because I'm a little swollen today. Emphasize this structure. Deepen it a little bit like this. It's that kind of natural feeling. Let's use this piece again to highlight. Then this is a 01. If you are particularly torn by any color, just choose this one. Basically, you can't go wrong. If it is a particularly white sister, you can take a look at the AO2. If you take a look at this box, is there a midnight subsidy? Sisters, if you plant grass, you can take it quickly. It's so cost-effective. Deepen the blush a little. Mix the two colors. Our particularly loose brush. Stab him diagonally. You can see that it is typed without any boundaries. Let's use the paper from the printing area. The texture of their home is particularly light. Apply it to the inside of your lip here. Take a look at it. The coverage is really good. And I'm also very makeup conscious when I use it. It's very affordable and easy to use. That time we were the first to be a little brighter. The pure cow you ate. I have lived in 10 billion subsidies many times. Because it's already cheap. It's even more beautiful to subsidize a coupon or something. Just take the money for a cup of milk tea directly. I think the words of Pinduoduo. It's really a treasure trove for doing big things with little money. Whether it is after-sales services, it is also very good. Then I consult these same words today. It's very cost-effective for you to start with. You can just close your eyes. I'm going to get my hair done and we'll show it.